Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll let you know how to delete your transaction history on the Monzo app. So let's get right into it. So, firstly, it's important to know that Monzo doesn't allow users to delete transaction history directly. This is for security and regulatory reasons. So you can't erase your records or your transactions. So transactions are stored for your safety to comply with banking regulations. And though you can't delete transactions, you can hide them to keep your feed cleaner. Here's how. So basically, open your Monzo app, find the transaction you want to hide and tap on the transaction. Tap on the three dots on the top right corner and select Hide Transaction, and that's it. Another way is to manage your history by archiving old transactions. This doesn't delete them but helps declutter your feed. So simply go to Settings, Transaction History, and archive all the old transactions. If you really need to delete something for a specific reason, you can always contact Monzo support for some help. Go to Monzo Help and collect and select Contact Support. Describe your issue and request assistance. And that's it. So while you can't delete your transaction history, you can hide or archive transactions to clean up your feed. If you need further help, don't hesitate to reach out to Monzo support. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.